Alright, YouTube, what's up? Alright, it's been a long time coming, but today I'm going to unbox the Jevries 1959 Chevy Impala fully functional lowrider. Now, there was only 1,000 of these made. This is number 693 out of 1,000. So we're going to cut the seal right here. Man, I really don't want to. I've been scared to open this motherfucker. I can't even lie. Damn, this seal's like no hope. Alright, there we got it. Alright, so we're going to break the seal. We're going to slide it out the box, man. Bear with me. Oh, is there another one? Oh, there's two. Alright, so there's two seals on it. On each side. Alright, so we got both the seals. So the best way to do is just slide the box up like this. On the inside of here we got some stuff, but it ain't nothing serious, so we ain't gonna fuck with that too much. Alright, so this is how the box looks. For the moment of motherfucking truth. Ain't no fucking seal in this, bitches. Nope. Pop that bitch open. Alright, man. Hella excited, y'all. The kid, the motherfucking candy store. I didn't celebrate Christmas or no shit like that when I was a kid. So, you know, I'll make sure I buy myself all the exclusive nice shit that I couldn't have when I was younger. Alright, so I didn't have bad parents, but they just didn't give us the extras, you know? So we gonna open the bag. Pull this out. My dad actually owned an auto body shop. So I grew up around hot rods, Chris Crafts, Cadillacs, hot rods, and you know, shit like that, and muscle cars. So we got the Jevries plaque. It's actually real metal. That's tight. That's tight. We got the skirts. Man, that's important. Gotta have them skirts, man, for that 5'9". And then we got the antennas in there with it, you know what I'm saying? Shit you do not want to fuck up right here, man. Then we got, shit, man. I honestly hate decals. It's hard to get them on straight and correct. You know what I'm saying? Definitely not a fan of them, but that's all the decals and shit like that. These are like upgraded parts and shit, mods you can get. You really don't need the mods, I'm gonna be real with y'all, man. Okay, so then, oh, these are the little stuff. These are for the Velcro pieces to hold the body to the frame. Okay, so we're gonna take this stuff, set it right there. Here goes the controller. Now what I do with these is I actually put switches on them, so it ends up looking like, damn, let me find it. Fuck did it go, man? Alright, there it is, hold on. See, I hop my car the right way. A lot of people, I've realized, they don't really got their hopping method down right. So what I do is I got the switches on here, you know, on each side of them. So that's how this one will end up looking. I'll show y'all how I do that, man, in another video. Alright, so we got the controller, you know, nothing too special, same old shit. Just like my other two. Alright. Scared, man. I'm fucking nervous, man. Nervous, man. My hand's shaking. Nah, not really. just talking shit. Alright, so. Oh, man. I don't even want to touch this motherfucker. As a matter of fact, hold on. You gotta do this the right way. You know what I did with that? Oh, here they go. How do you want to touch this? I always wear gloves if you really don't want to get no fingerprints on them or nothing. You want to make sure you do not break the side mirrors off this motherfucker. Then there's just some other shit, some plates. Comes with some plates in here for weight. Really don't need them, to be honest with you. And then there's the charging accessories. This one looks a little different though. Whatever. Looks a little different than my other one. Alright, so. I wasn't going to take the plastic off it, but I guess we will, man. Gloves back on. Comes all chrome underneath. It's got the 13 sevens, the cross lace. Not really a fan of them, but some people really love them. You know, everything is what it is. I mean, this thing is like perfect scale model. Yeah, man. I don't really want to fuck with it too much. Like I said, man. But, yeah, this motherfucker's clean, man. We're gonna put the top back on it. And put the cover back on it. And these covers actually really matter because it keeps the dust off them and shit, man. So yeah, man, there it goes, y'all. Number 693 out of 1,000, man. We unboxed it, man. The next video, I'm gonna show y'all how to hop it, and I'm gonna show y'all my technique putting the switches on there, man. All right, man. So yeah, man. Let's put it away, man. Yeah, we gonna put it away, man. This thing actually goes down there deeper. on it. Yeah, man. So that's it, man. I'm gonna show y'all how to hop these motherfuckers. I got my 64 I've been working on. I've been doing a little bit of chrome undercarriage work with the gold engraved little stickers and shit. Like I said, I'm not really a fan of those, so I kind of been slow about it. But yeah, man, we did it together, y'all. We did this shit together. All right, man. Until we meet again, y'all, I'm out.